How to set up hotspot iPhone. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to set up hotspot iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is just head over to our settings right here. Then as you can see right now, our hotspot is turned off. So as you can see, we can't actually click that because it is great. But what you need to do is just click on the cellular data right here. And as you can see, that hotspot has been turned on. So once we have turned on the hotspot, we can just click on that right here. And then from in here, we can just change the Wi-Fi password right here. So you can just choose it whatever you want it to be, for example, but it needs to be at least 8 characters. So just click on done right here, and as you can see, the Wi-Fi password has been changed. So in here, you can connect using Wi-Fi, using Bluetooth, and also using USB. You can allow others to join right here, but once you have allowed one person to join, if you turn this off, then the person who has connected won't be able to connect again. So make sure to turn this on if you want it to be. So usually some iPhone has a maximum capability option in here around. So you can also just click on that to turn on the maximum capability and connection on your hotspot on your iPhone. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to set up hotspot on iPhone. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.